Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we are learning the harmonic minor scale. If you want to watch this video in English, then please click on this I button. Now let's start music theory. So in today's topic, we are going to learn harmonic minor scale. As in the last topic, we learned the natural minor scale. Today we are going to learn the harmonic minor scale. Now, what's the difference between the harmonic and the natural minor scale? So, last class, if you remember, I told you this formula, the tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone is a formula for the minor harmonic scale. Now, what we have to do to make it a harmonic minor scale, we just have to raise the seventh note, seventh degree, a semitone higher. That means if you play A minor scale natural, that you will play A, B, C, D, E, F, G and A, all white keys, right? Now this is A natural minor scale and the formula is tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. Now to make this a harmonic minor, we just have to raise this seventh note. This is our seventh note. We just have to raise it a half semitone. That means a semitone only. Half semitone means, sorry, that means a semitone only. So that will become G sharp. So when we'll play a harmonic minor scale, we have to make sure that we don't play G natural, we play G sharp. But whereas if we are playing A minor natural minor scale, we are playing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, all natural. But if we are playing a harmonic, we'll raise the seventh note semitone and we'll play G sharp, and same way while coming back downwards. So if you see here, they have said the same thing, that the second and third degree and fifth, sixth degree is a semitone, and in this last in this harmonic minor, the seventh and eighth degree also turns into a semitone. Why? Because you have increased the seventh degree as a semitone, so the difference between the seventh note and eighth note becomes a semitone. See, because in the natural minor you are playing G natural and A natural, so at that time the difference was a tone because there was a black in between. But in harmonic you're not playing G natural, you're playing G sharp, so then the difference between this and this becomes semitone. Okay, so there are two ways that you can easily learn this. That one is from turning from this natural to harmonic, just raise the seventh note. Or if you want to learn the formula, then you just have to make it tone, tone, semitone, tone, sorry, tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, and then again semitone, because this will become a semitone then, because you will raise this semitone, so this will be semitone. So instead of T, it will come S over here, semitone. So there are two ways. Either, for me, friends, I just remember that you just raise the seventh note rather than remembering the semitone again. So I remember only the natural one, that is tone, semitone, tone, tone, semitone, tone, tone. So instead of this, I just remember that I have to raise the seventh note. That is easier for me. So you can find your way, whichever way you find is easier to remember, you can do that. Okay, so now let's move on to the first exercise. In the first one, they are saying raise the seventh degree by a semitone each time to change these scales from A natural minor scale to A harmonic minor scale. So now we have to convert this A natural minor scale to a harmonic minor scale. Now we remember that we have to raise the seventh note. So let's name them a degree first. So we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you can remember the two ways. The second and third is a semitone, becomes a semitone. Then your fifth, sixth becomes a semitone, and 7, 8 becomes a semitone. Yes, but how will you know that this semitone is perfect? So you have to remember a lot of things. For me, rather than just remembering that, I'll just remember that I will raise this seventh note. How will I raise this seventh note? I know that in A natural minor scale, I play all the white keys where the G is a natural. If I raise this with a semitone, it will become G sharp. So I will just raise it with a semitone and it will become a G sharp. So for me, this is easier way to remember it. Just raise the seventh note. No matter what the other notes are, you just have to raise the seventh note. Okay. Now, while coming down, this is the treble clef now. While coming down, you have to start the degree from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if you'll count from here, then this becomes a seventh note, and this is B, which will be wrong if you raise this one. So always remember, while coming back, you start your degrees from here. Okay. Now, according to this is your seventh note, that is G. Now just raise this with a semitone, and that becomes a sharp. Okay. We remember that if in grade 1 we have learned that from natural, if you raise a semitone up, it becomes sharp, and if you decrease a semitone, then it becomes flat. Okay. Now let's do the next exercise, last one for this. Now write